still working at the roof, and today I'm going to try to get a little bit further. I'll show you later on. I've made little cupboards in the front of the roof, and I've made this wood inside with all the screws, and today I'm working with these rods to cover the screws like this, and I'll show you how far I've come until now. This is the underside of the roof, and as you can see, I've made little cupboards over here with these small doors. I did some research, and in 1957 the doors were like this, so I hope they'll be fine. And as you can see, there are screws into the wood on the back side over here, so that the roof lining will be in the shape of the roof. Well, and now I'm trying to put these half round rods, this is one of them, half round rods, over the screws so that they won't be visible. It appeared quite impossible to fit those bars on my own, so my wife is helping. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And that's how we do it. The inside is finished, but there's a problem. The wood in the little caravan has a totally different shade compared to the wood I've used. So what I'm going to try is to make it a different color. It's always quite exciting to do an experiment on something you've just built. I hope it will work. I've bought this lacquer, and I'm gonna try to get the same color as the interior. Well, as you can see, the wood is very dry, so I have to bring on a lot of paint, but the result is just for the first layer. Well, I'm content with it. So I keep going on. I'm planning to do section, 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 and then all the way down. that's it for today. I've painted the little doors also, and I'll let it dry, and tomorrow maybe I can have another run at it. As you can see, the roof is standing upright. I've been painting it, isn't ready, it has to dry now. So I'm continuing on the kitchen area, and I'll show you what I'm doing. First of all, this is the color of the roof at the moment. It's been painted 2 times. I'm thinking about painting it for the 3rd time so that the color is matching with the rest of the caravan. You can see in the back a little piece of the caravan. I'm quite content as it is now, but I want it to be a little bit darker. Well, I've been working on the kitchen area. It looks like a mess at the moment, but as you can see, the tap has been removed. There's a hose on the back side for the fresh water, and I want to give it a different path through the kitchen. There's a hole on the side, that's where the hose came out, and I want it to have a different route. Here you can see the area where the cooker was standing, but it was all corroded, and today I'm gonna try to build me a new one. And here's the top of the kitchen, and the 2 doors, and as you can see, I've sanded it, the top of the kitchen, and I've cleaned this up, and it cleaned up quite nice. So today's job is to rebuild this piece. As you can see, there's been a piece of iron and it's been rusted and it's all corroded. So I bought myself a new sheet of aluminium, and today I'm gonna try to build this one out of that. and that's how I made a copy. As you can see, there's a white kind of plastic in the inside so that I can scratch it while building. Well, I'm gonna look if it's gonna fit. Well, that seems to be a snug fit, so I'm quite content with it.
It's Hitchcraft.